What's up guys, today's video is how to photograph a non-experienced model to be like professional model, like you wanna make them look like a professional model. So stay tuned for that. I'm gonna give some of my tips how to turn them look like a model. That's about it. So yeah, let's go. Here, I'm going out right now with my scooter. We're going to the park. I'm gonna be putting you on the chest. Hey, yes, and I'm here now. Yeah, the video is about how can you photograph someone who's not experienced model and how can you convince them or let them look good on camera. If you're following me on Instagram, Minmi, you know her, you saw a bunch of shot of her. Actually, she's not really an experienced model. I was like really asking her to get a photo of her, so she was not really confident on the DSLR and actual camera, but she loves taking selfie on her phone. She's confident on that, but when it comes to my DSLR, she was like, oh, I don't want to do it. So first thing, how can you make someone feel comfortable in front of camera? First thing first that I want to do is like take a warm-up, just like a warm-up. I'm taking a bunch of photos first, and once I got something good, I want to show her. I showed her the one photo that looks good, and she would feel like she was like, oh, I look nice, and she will feel like, okay, I want to get more. And starting from there, she feel confident enough, or a little bit confident in front of DSLR. Now I'm starting the actual photo shoot because I know that she feels good. It's gonna be good. The second tips or tutorial, I don't know. Second tips that I could give is she doesn't know some poses, and I ask her just do some motion, like pretend to walk, pretend that you are walking, and it's gonna look like natural. So I ask her just like pretend that you are walking, and it's gonna look good like in motion. Then I want to capture the motion. I set up my settings on multiple shutter speed or burst mode. I was able to capture some good motion, so it looks so natural. I showed her again some of the good ones, and she feel like, okay, yeah, it's really nice. And now she feels so confident, more than enough. And now third thing I would give you is like make someone to be with herself. So yeah, I ask her, be with yourself. What are the poses that you like when you're getting selfie, when you're taking a photo of yourself? And she was like, oh, I like smiling and this and that. Okay, go for it. Just don't mind me that I'm here, or don't mind me that I'm taking a photo of you. Just do your own thing. I'm just gonna say 1, 2, 3 shot and just do your own thing. And she was like, okay. Yeah, we capture a lot of bunch of good ones. Yes, yes, so much nicer. Wow. Wait, stay ka lang. Ang ganda. Thank you so much. Sapat. Damihan natin ito kasi maganda. Oops. Oopsie. that's how you were able to get a photo of someone who's not really experienced of being a model or modeling in front of camera. So if you are starting out photography and you wanna get some portrait and you are not like ready to invest on someone, if you don't wanna invest on having a model because you're just starting out, you can ask your friends or someone close to you to get their photos. These are the tips that I could give when you are photographing someone who's not really experienced model. So yeah, you can ask your friends and you guys were able to go out and take a photo of them. So that's the tips that I could give to make someone looks good on camera when they are not experienced model. I hope you got something on this video. So thank you for watching. If you are new to this channel, make sure to maybe like and subscribe. It means a lot. Keep shooting. Let's go.